Okay, here's how I did my CDL linkage. The hole, I left a drill in there so you could see, it kind of lines up with the high range, low range selector. That's the line coming from the yardstick right here. And then it's about at the 4.5-inch mark. It's not dead on. I wish I drilled it up just a little higher so I could have a straighter angle, but this works. And that's a 1/2-inch hole. I used a smaller hole to begin with, but I couldn't get the angle right to get the socket onto the two nuts on top of the CDL nipple. Okay, this isn't the welding channel. This is all 1/4-inch drive right here. Got a 13mm socket. You could use a 1/2-inch. I went with the deep socket so it would stay on there. Swivel and a 6-inch extension. We have the drive shaft removed. We've got the two nuts on top of the nipple. That's 8mm, and the thread pitch is 1.25. There's the hole up there somewhere. Once again, those nuts are 8 by 1.25. Obviously it's metric. And I have them tightened together in the exact same way you would remove a stud. I did it this way so I wouldn't have to fabricate a bracket. I could just put a socket on there and activate the locking mechanism, the CDL. Anyway, I think this is the easiest way I've seen to do it. You may want to get your hole. There's the hole. You may want to get your hole at a better angle. But the way that is right there, it works out perfectly with the 6-inch extension, the swivel, and the deep socket. Here's the final product. Not pretty, but it works. We got the piece of hose up there and a hose clamp that's keeping everything from pulling back out. I don't think it will because it's so tight. And we've got the socket over the two tightened down nuts on top of the stud that sticks out of the center diff lock. I hope this helps. Have a good day.